Everyone, it's Donna with Revive Vintage. Been a long time since I posted anything, so I thought I would do it today because I've had a few people ask me how I clean my wicker baskets. So what I thought I would do is do a quick video on it and show you. All I do is I use a mild dish detergent, which is Dawn. On the heavier ones, sometimes I use Mr. Clean, but depending on what the basket's like. And an old brush that I have. Pretty old, huh? So what I'm going to do is show you how I do it. I'm outside, so I'm going to be using my water hose to rinse them off. So let me move in closer for you so you guys can see what I'm doing. And we'll get started. Thanks. This is an old basket I picked up. I never found them with the lids on them, so I thought it was pretty cool. So let me move you in closer, just so you can see. It's pretty nasty for sure. And I use just an old Folgers bucket to put my dish detergent in. Sorry guys, I'm cutting my water on. I forgot to cut it on before I started. All right. I forgot to cut the water on. So I'm going to show you really quick. It's pretty dirty. It was in a storage unit and it's full of dust. Yeah, that's all dust. I was like, God, is that mold? No, it's all dust in here, guys, is all that is. And you know how they get real dusty? Let me show you another thing I do too when the dust gets built up. Sorry guys. When the dust gets built up on them, like when they're sitting around, all I do is take one of my paint brushes and I just go through and dust them off. When they're sitting around, I just go through and dust them off with a paintbrush, because the paintbrush will get down into the little crevices of them. So it makes it so much easier. So all I do is take that old brush that I was showing you that I have. And what I do is just take and I dip it in my water with the soap already mixed in. And I just go through and I take that brush and it gets down into those crevices. And this will normally get the dirt. In most cases, it'll get the dirt. I brought the Mr. Clean out here too, just in case I needed it, but that was nothing but dust. And most of the time, when you find a basket, that's all it'll be is dusty. Like I said, I just go around and clean it up really good. Oh, and also, guys, I know I never posted the winner of the cookie sheet because I dropped it and I broke it. But I did get in touch with the girl, and she's deciding, and I wanted to wait until she decided, really, if she wanted the cookie plate, because I haven't found another one yet. So, but I told her, you know, she said she could wait on it. It wasn't no big issue to her, but I gave her another option if she didn't want, you know, since I hadn't found one yet, if she would like to have something different. So the giveaway that I'm doing next week, since I've been a little under the weather, I've had a real bad migraine, so I haven't been able to do a whole lot the last few days. So I gave her the option, if she wanted, to also do the same thing that I'm giving away for next week, which is going to be a really pretty rolling pin. And I am not going to post about it until I get it done. So hopefully by tonight or tomorrow night, I'll have it done and I'll be able to post it. by Saturday or Sunday evening. And then that way you guys can go in and share it and, you know, comment on it or whatever. And remember, you have to be following me on my Instagram or my Facebook page. You have to follow the store. And it's Eden Revive Vintage on Facebook and Revive Vintage on Instagram, which is where you're probably seeing this one way or the other. If you comment on it or like it from somebody else's page, sometimes I don't see those, and then you won't be counted in. So you really need to go, when somebody shares it, you really need to go to the page and follow the page and like and or comment on the photo. And what I decided to do is not just that photo, any photos that get posted, you can follow them, like them, comment on them or whatever, any post that I post. And then that way you can, you'll be included in on it. And if you're seeing this video and you decide not to like it today, like it by Sunday, because that vote will be counted. Just giving you a little bit of insight. And for every like, you'll get, you'll get your name entered into the pot once. For every comment, I'll put your name in there 3 times. And if you follow the page, I'll put your name in 5 times. So it betters your chances, okay? So if you're just going on and just liking it, you're only going to get 1 entry. So, your chances are lower. But if you like the page and follow the page, let me move that out of my way, then you'll get more. And even if you comment, you'll get more. You'll get extra ones in on it, okay? So just a little heads up, because there's been several people that have liked the photos that they look at for the giveaways, but they won't follow the page, and that only puts their name into the hat 1 time, so it really doesn't give them a big chance to be able to, win the prize. That's for that week. But I am letting you know, too, that I will ship in the United States only. I'll ship it to you. It's not going to cost you anything for shipping. I'm not going to say, hey, you won, you got to pay for shipping. I pay the shipping. And all you have to do is follow. Like and comment and or. The thing is, and I'd like for you to, if you see something you like, I'd like for you to purchase it from me. But we do have DIY paint retailers all over the United States, and Paint Pixie paintbrushes are all over the United States. My website, I think, is about done. I found somebody to help me with it, but they couldn't find it in their time to help me or build it for me. So I've been having to do it myself. So hopefully, my daughter, Haley, has been helping me a lot on it, because I had some issues last week that I just couldn't get situated and couldn't get pictures to download, couldn't get the files to download. So she went in on her computer. I sent everything to her, and she got it done last week. So hopefully, if I can't get it done, she can. So I'm hoping by the middle of next week, she'll be done with exams. If I have any more issues, she'll be able to help me. And I've got a new stencil line coming in. It's called Jamie Ray Vintage. And I've ordered about 36 different designs from Jamie Ray. So they'll be coming in. I already have her brushes in. So everything's there on the website. And I'll be able to order it. I'm also doing CTW home collections for home decor. They do farmhouse, shabby chic, eclectic. They've got a little bit of everything, but a lot of their stuff's mainly farmhouse, and I am carrying their full line. So hopefully that'll be up. That's my big thing right now, is I'm having trouble with that file. So once she's done with the exams, hopefully she'll be able to help me with that one. So I'm hoping, you know, that you guys will be able to see that as well. And I will be shipping all over the United States from the website, but, you know, shipping is not free on that. I will be listing some furniture that I do, and I will be shipping those, but each price for shipping will vary and be different according to the pieces. So we'll have to work out the shipping cost if you just see something that you like once the website's up and going. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I rinse this out. It's very simple. I just take my water hose and do it. And then I leave it out in the sun to dry. Let's see. Let's put my water hose on. You don't have to have a hose like this, guys. This is just one that we have for watering all my plants and flowers. So you can do this in your kitchen sink as well, guys. It doesn't have to be outside. You can do it in your kitchen sink if your basket's small enough. But these baskets were large. That was one of the reasons why I did it outside. If anybody else out there having issues with their hair, wishing that they could get a haircut, and those of you who know me know that I am a licensed hairstylist and colorist. But sometimes you just don't want to do your hair. You want to be pampered. And since I got kicked by the horse, it's hard for me to get to the back of my head. That's why I hadn't done the front of it. And I've got a girl that I really, really like the way she does my hair. So I don't really want to take away from her. I want her to be able to do it. I don't want to be one-sided either. It's one of the reasons why I haven't done it. So I just rinse it off, and look how much better it looks, guys. Oh my God, it comes so clean. See the dirt pouring out of it? It's pretty much just dust. That's pretty much it, guys. It's just detergent and a brush. And depending on the type of basket you have, just get you a soft bristle brush. Mine's a little hard, but I hadn't pressed down too hard on it, so woo, to damage the basket. Except for it rolling down the hill here. And this basket will be one that's for sale. On the website. And it'll be about $45, somewhere around in there. And it does have some loose here, which I will fix. And then this piece here was the only break on this basket at all, and the lid. So I'll just tack that down with some wood glue, just so it's not poking up and get caught on something. So I'll tack that down so that it's down. But this is an original. And these baskets are called, what are these suckers called? Oh gosh, I forgot what they're called. But I know they're very expensive. I looked this one up, haven't found one for less than $100 yet. So I'm gonna set it over here to dry. And then I'm going to clean the next one. But that's how I do it, guys. Plain and simple. Just a soft bristle brush and some Dawn dish detergent in my sink or outside. These baskets are extremely large. I could have washed them in the bathtub or the shower. You could do that as well. But I thought since it was a pretty day and it's warm here, this is the first time it's been warm. We haven't gotten, it's been really cold here. It's been cold at nights. We had frost the other night too. So, but I thought since it was warm outside, I'd go ahead and do it outside, and that way they could dry quicker. But I appreciate you guys watching and appreciate all your support. And I know things are opening up now more and, you know, in stages. So, guys, when you're out and about, stay safe and stay healthy. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for